In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an away message to Facebook Messenger for a business page. To get started, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are on Facebook.com, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to manage. This is important because the away message settings need to be changed from the business page, not from your personal profile. After you are on the correct page, look to the left-hand menu and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage messages, content, and other tools for your business page. Inside Meta Business Suite, find the Inbox section and open it. The inbox is where you can view and manage conversations coming in from Messenger and other connected platforms. At the top of the inbox page, you will see an option labeled Automation. Click on that to continue. In the automation area, look through the available tools until you find Away Message. When you see it, click Try It. This will open the setup screen for your automated away response. Next, choose the messaging platform where you want the away message to be active. If your page has more than one messaging channel connected, make sure you select the one that matches where you want people to receive the automatic reply. After that, set the schedule for when the away message should run. Choose the specific days and times when your business is unavailable or when you want the automatic message to be sent. This allows Facebook Messenger to reply for you during off hours without any manual work. Once the schedule is set, move on to the message itself. You will see a default away message, but you can edit the text to make it better fit your business. Keep it short, polite, and clear. Let people know that you are currently away and that you will respond as soon as possible. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. This will activate the away message based on the schedule you selected. After saving, your business page will automatically send the away response on Messenger during the times you configured. That is the full process for setting up an away message in Facebook Messenger for a business page. It is a simple way to stay responsive even when you are not available right away. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.